Hey, welcome, Southern California hiking class. This is a first and possibly one of a kind. We'll have to wait and see. You guys are a guinea pig group, and I can't wait for this to get going. We need to meet on Monday for you Monday hikers and Wednesday for the Wednesday class. Both of them are at 2:30, and there's a Zoom connection for each of those meetings. If you'll go over to the side of your canvas, you'll see calendar, and you'll click on calendar, and up will come all of the meetings that are to be had. And if you'll notice on Monday over here is the synchronous one for 2:30 Monday for the first class, and then Wednesday the synchronous session at 2:30 for the Wednesday class. I hope that's clear. Click on it and away we go. I'm excited to see you, and we'll talk to you soon.